It's 6:10. Let's take a quick roll call vote and yay!
Well, you have a quorum.
We got a quorum. Let's move on. We have a lot in executive today, but maybe we could be done by 7 if we can go pretty quickly through standards and assessment. So Chair Hansen.
We are ready to roll, and we had 3 motions for the board. All of them passed unanimously in committee, just for the board's information. The first one is on number, I believe on the agenda, it's 13.5. The motion for the board is that the committee recommends that the board approve R277415, School Nurses Matching Funds, Draft 1 on second and final reading.
Thank you. Seeing no hands, there's a motion on the floor that the board approves R277-415, School Nurses Matching Funds, Draft 1 on second and final reading. Please vote. That passes unanimously.
Hold on, I didn't see Board Member Hutchings. Maybe she's not back, so she did not vote on that one. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, next motion for the board is item 13.7. The committee recommends that the board approve R277922, Digital Teaching and Learning, DTL, Draft 2 on second and final reading.
Thank you. Seeing no hands, there's a motion on the floor that the board approves R277-922, Digital Teaching and Learning, DTL, Draft 2 on second and final reading. Please vote. That passes with 1 board member opposed and 1 absent. Board Member Hutchings is absent and Board Member Klein is opposed. Go ahead.
Okay, next motion for the board, item number 13.8.
Just a question, Chair, is Huntsman back? Is Chair Huntsman back?
He is not.
So Huntsman is absent also.
Yeah, but he's not on here, so Sybil knows that. Thank you, Board Member Lear. Thank you.
Sorry.
No, thank you. Thank you.
Okay, back to item 13.8, the motion for the board. The committee recommends that the board approves R277-918, Education Innovation Program, Draft 1 on second and final reading.
Thank you. Seeing no hands, there's a motion. Oh, sorry, Board Member Moss.
Quick question, just in line 38, and I was curious because this relates to ULEAD, but I'm just not sure what the language means. A teacher or LEA may consult with the director prior to applying or application approval regarding best practices. Does that just mean they may consult before they put in or before approval is granted? I'm not quite sure how that works.
Director Van Holten.
Yes, thank you. That just is essentially saying that before the teacher applies to the local board for approval of their innovation classroom, they may, with the local board or the LEA, consult with the ULEAD director on best practices for measuring success and data collection, which is what the rest of the rule is about, is making an agreement between the LEA and the teacher about which metrics will be used and the data that will be collected to measure it.
Thank you. Quick follow-up. The substance makes sense. I'm just not sure what the language means. Applying or application approval. Does that just mean while it's pending? I mean, this is a May, so it's probably not critical, but since I'm on the ULEAD committee, I thought this might come up, and I'm just want to make sure I understand what that means. Prior to applying, they can consult, and
In the interim,
if they want to consult, then he should consult them while the application's pending.
yeah.
Okay.
Correct.
Thank you. That makes sense. Thanks.
Okay, thank you. Seeing no other hands, we have a motion on the floor that the board approves R277-918 Education Innovation Program Draft 1 on second and final reading. Please vote. That passes with Board Member Klein opposed.
And that is all for standards and assessment. Thank you.